What is up, guys? We're doing another Hack the Box challenge here. We're doing oddly even today. Again, this is a challenge. Challenges are a little more simple. This is a coding challenge here, and this one is retired because there's an official write-up available. Anyways, here we're going to start the host here, and we're going to copy this, and we're going to open this in a new tab. This one's very simple here. You should be able to do this. Even if you don't know how to code, you can use AI to help you out with this here. The one thing about this one that could be kind of better is if it did support different programming languages, this week can go back and try different programming languages and learn them too. But right now it's just Python. So very, very simple here. It's taking a number. It's going to print odd if the number is odd, even if the number is even from here. So we have the input, which is n. We're going to convert that to an integer, and then we're going to print the answer. So right beneath this line here, I'm going to initialize an empty string. Oops, an empty string. And then I'm going to say if n, and if you might be familiar with this, you might not, modulo 2 equals 0. Then we're going to say answer is equal to even, else the answer is going to be equal to odd. So if you're not familiar with this symbol from here, this modulo symbol, can't zoom in for some reason. There we go. Nice and big for you folks in the back there. This modulo symbol is basically a remainder of them. If you remember, like elementary school math, if you say 5 divided by 2, there's a remainder of 1. So same deal here. If we have this number and let's say it's 8, we divide it by 2 and there's nothing left over, we know the number is even. If we have this number and let's say it's 11, we divide by 2 and there's 1 left over, it's going to be odd from there. So, and my apologies, we do need to fix up this typo here. Sometimes when you're working with like VS Code and stuff like that, it kind of highlights that for you. I simply wasn't paying attention. I was looking at my ugly mug on the camera here. But anyways, here, go ahead and run. And there we have our flag from there. So again, this challenge is very, very simple here. If you want to test your skills, try to do it without an AI. Even without an AI, it should be very simple here. But Python is one of those things you probably should know regardless. If you're a security practitioner, if you're whatever you are in the field, you're probably going to run into some type of Python script. Even if you're not a developer, Python can make your life a lot easier. You'll be able to just kind of know what the scripts are doing. It's definitely something you should know. But anyways, that's a challenge. If you guys like it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.